Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to create a note in the notebook. Creating a note in the notebook assists the practitioner or user to make general notes regarding the patient or debtor. These notes can be used to keep track of communication between the practice and the patient or debtor. The notebook is an internal communication function and is only viewable for the staff members at the practice. The notebook should not be used for any clinical notes or medical information. In this video, we will start on the notebook screen. For more information on how to navigate to and for an extensive explanation of the notebook and all details of other communication, please refer to the notebook user manual linked in this video's description. Go ahead and click on the Create New Admin Event drop-down menu to add a new note to the notebook. Click on the Note option from the list that has become available. The Note Workflow Event screen will open. Proceed and click on the text box Free Text field to start typing a general note that the practitioner or user would like to save to the patient's electronic file. Please note that there is no limit to the number of characters that can be used in the text box. Click on the Close button to close the Note Workflow Event screen without saving the contents of the note and return to the notebook screen. Or click on the Save button to save the contents of the note that has been made. The screen will now close and return to the notebook screen. The note has now been logged and been added to the notebook history. Double click on the note to view the contents of the note. The Note Workflow Event screen will open. For more information regarding the workflow event options that are available on the Note Workflow Event screen, please refer to the Workflow Event Options user manual linked in this video's description. Please note that the screen is grayed out and no changes can be made to the note, and the practitioner or user will only be able to view the contents of the note. Click on the History button to view the history of the note. Click on the Close button to close the Note Workflow Event screen and return to the notebook screen. Click on the Close button to close the notebook screen and return to the screen from which the notebook can be accessed.